Do you have a spending problem?
I'll answer, yes.
Do you have a spending problem?
Sex in the City.
Do you have a spending?
This is a bag, dude. Talking about.
That's my biggest fuck up, you know. I debuted as a rich, horny girl. I just got a car. And I got it came 2 weeks after Sakshi's car, but since Sakshi is #1 in India, they're like, she copied Sakshi by buying her car.
You didn't know it, Shah? Let's start with Naina because it's your first time on Spend.
Should I close my eyes?
Yeah, again. How are you with money in general?
I think I'm pretty good. But like now that I've started earning like fun money, I like to have fun also.
Okay, what is?
But I can't tell my mother. So please don't let my mother watch
We'll beep this whole sentence. Don't worry about
We'll beat
it.
everything, but don't tell my mother.
Yeah.
Like I'm not an Excel sheet kind of person. I don't understand a single thing my CA tells me. I don't understand
What is he
anything.
telling you?
He's like, you know, abhi advance tax dena hai. Abhi I don't know what the advance tax is.
Oh yeah, we haven't
Yeah,
reached that
we
stage
haven't
yet.
reached
Yeah.
that. So I do like a mental math of okay, I have this much.
Yeah.
And if I spend this much, it'll be okay.
Okay. Yeah, I can still make rent.
Like the
We're very open with amounts here.
I'll tell you the closest analogy for me
Yeah.
and how I'm discovering how much I can spend is, you know, how on Diwali you take a rocket and you put it in a bottle and then you light it and you run back. And then you see, did it go up or did it put the entire garden on fire? That's how I feel with big expenditure.
I thought the bottle was going to be Perrier now. That's what's changed. Pehle Bisleri, now it's Perrier ka bottle.
When I make money, there will be signs.
You'll know.
But has it changed before you had like a lot of money and now like the way you spend?
Yeah, I mean, I will show you. I've got
Yeah.
some
No,
stuff.
no.
for you.
In general, we'll get to that. But in general, have you
Earlier,
started?
what would you be stingy about spending on, and now you don't care as much?
See, I'll tell you, I thought earlier when I didn't make money
Yeah.
that when I made money, it would be insane. Like, you know, matlab champagne ki barishein ho rahi hongi. You know, it would be insane. But the only thing that feels different is the number of matchas I can buy without feeling bad.
That's very specific.
And that is what wealth feels like. You
How
know, that's
many-
it.
how many matchas?
I didn't count.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You never count your matchas, dude, don't you know?
That's true. But the thing is, you like, I don't know how else to say this, but when I watch Class, I was like, yeah, that's a rich person only. That's not for a second.
That's my biggest fuck up, you know. I debuted as a rich, horny girl. And it's very difficult to come back from that.
Fair,
I've been trying.
fair. I'm saying
So now you have to make money. You don't have any other option.
Yeah, that'll be
It's
funny.
hard to be a middle class horny girl.
Yeah, that'll be funny if you're just a very rich person and suddenly you're like, nahi, sorry, paise thode kam hai.
No, she used to go to set in a rickshaw to
Oh.
play that rich girl character.
Yeah. And then I would tell the bhaiya, please 1 kilometer dur chhod. No one should see me walking into this set so poor.
I also, I
That
think,
is so real. Why is that real?
That's me yesterday.
Yeah, literally today. Anyway.
I think at some show, I also did this where I had to go for the show, my own solo show, and then I went in a Rapido bike, and then it was like, bhaiya, please.
That
That
was
was
a
you don't
choice.
need
That
to,
was a
yeah.
choice.
It was Hyderabad, and I was like, let me just be on a bike here. So
Okay.
that's it. But then,
Today also, I called him if he's going to cross Juhu so that he can pick me up. And he took a second to be like, मैं train से आया हूँ."
that's because there was traffic. Okay,
You know,
There's-
I think he just didn't want to add an extra stop.
Fair.
He
did
also
not
doesn't
come
know
by.
geography. If you come from Kandivali, you don't cross.
No one knows that geography.
Yeah, what? What do you mean? I don't know geography. Nobody knows this geography.
Yeah, okay, fair.
But
fair.
Naina and I have like interns at Moment of Silence, right? So we both bought cars last couple of months. only.
Bro, let's go!
But before that, all our employees would come in a chauffeur-driven car, and the two of us would be in a rickshaw with all our bags and all. And then we could see it in their eyes. We don't want to take orders from these two girls.
carless goals.
Oh my god, I have to pick up stuff for this shoot. I'll send my driver for the sourcing. And Nena and I are struggling in this.
The first day we got the cars, we couldn't park in our own office because all the parking was taken by our interns.
That is, what cars do they have?
Very nice cars.
Okay, how nice.
No, like they all have like Mercedes at least.
I've only
And
felt
we
the
don't.
dust.
So now,
Wheel. as it
First
gets
hand
my
Mercedes,
face.
I'm assuming, not second hand.
now also they think y'all are getting
Yes, yes.
They're like, good for them. They're getting us.
So
They
hard.
get into our level.
Yeah.
Because I went on Car Dekho that day. It's not an ad. I went on Car Dekho that day to just be like, let me just see used cars, how they are. Even those Mercedes are very expensive. Dude.
Yeah, because
So
it's still a
How
Mercedes.
much is that? How much is like a...
I took a screenshot. Wait.
65 lakhs, 70.
Yeah,
What?
yeah.
A used
yeah.
Mercedes?
What?
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you always have that one guy friend who's like, मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ.
हाँ,
Don't waste your money on this new car bullshit, भाई. तू take a second hand.
Third hand,
Mercedes.
third hand.
Third hand also goes?
Hey, how many hands can it go down
It can go down as
before?
Whatever your ego allows, actually. That's how low you can go.
Wait, did you just get a car?
I just got a car. And I got it, it came 2 weeks after Sakshi's car, but since Sakshi is #1 in India, they're like, she copied Sakshi by buying her car. I was like, I love Sakshi, but this is too much.
Is it the same car?
No, mine is a
One is
worse
white
one.
and black.
Sorry?
She got a better car.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm
Do you guys
older.
want to tell us which car it is?
I don't know.
What?
You don't know what car you have.
I know it's a Toyota.
I think you have.
Wait, you don't know what car? You're talking about your car?
Yeah.
Do you sit in
Oh,
it?
okay.
Okay, I have a high cross.
Yeah.
And you have a high rider.
I have a high rider.
Oh shit. You did-
I'm a rider.
Hey, that's the one. That's the one that comes in Uber Black, no?
Yeah, I think so.
That was my exact
Oh.
brief. I told my guy friend, fuck the Mercedes. I want to feel like I'm in an Uber Black.
Did you also put that Uber Black sticker?
Did you put like water bottles inside?
Oh, you
That's
did?
a sign of wealth. When you
That's a sign of
have,
wealth.
yeah.
Dude, I sat in an Uber Black that day. Someone had already drank that water and they didn't replace it. What weird problem. I'm sorry. This,
My God.
Yeah,
In
uh,
Naina's
on
car,
the
that's not a
train.
problem.
That's true.
Every month I restock. I ghee roast like nuts. I get like cookies.
Oh, you make it?
Yeah, and I put them in the car because no one who travels in my car, no rider, should feel disappointed.
No high rider.
She's the provider, I'm the rider.
I'm the high.
Is it fun to drive in this?
I don't
like to
drive.
drive? Oh.
I don't drive.
Is it fun to sit?
That's my choice, feminism. I don't drive. I always wanted a driver. I got him.
And then she got the car because
Yeah.
the driver didn't have anything to do with it.
I was wondering that. Was that your first choice? Like, let me get a driver
Yeah.
for. Okay, nice.
It was.
And then he's just standing, walking with you. Yeah, I don't know what
I
to
pranked
do.
him successfully for a month. I said, "Aa rahi hai." So I've parked it a little far. Then when it finally came, he was happy.
Okay, before this, you were, I'm guessing, overtaking Ubers only, no?
Yeah, rickshaw, Uber.
Is it better?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, when you're not driving, I guess.
You don't have to
yeah.
open an app anymore, dude.
That's
Yeah, that's great.
No,
That OTP coming is the worst.
But OTP is now standardized.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
that's pretty
Just
cool.
waiting for that OTP while you're at like a date or something, and you're just like, my bank notification is not coming, and you're like, I'm just leaving, and you've
Wait,
not left.
sorry, let's go back
Embarrassing.
2 steps. Oh, sorry?
When you get the OTP and you're like, I'm just leaving, I'm leaving right now, but you still wait anticlimactically for the OTP to come and it hasn't come because there's no network and you're just waiting awkwardly with the guy. And you're just like,
He's talking about the Uber OTP.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what
I
people are
am.
talking about.
OTP.
for
That's-
paying for the Uber.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
I got it. I got it.
Yeah. Took us a while. to get there.
Yeah.
Took
Yeah.
me too long. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. That I took
Anyway.
too long. Sorry.
Moving on.
Did you have a car before your... what's the point? You won't know which car you had.
No, I didn't. I had a car when I was living with my parents, but then I moved out and they kept the car.
How dare they? So weird.
Kind of gross. But
You
then
know which car?
It was a Maruti.
I love that you know the brands.
It was a small Maruti.
Okay.
That really doesn't narrow down at all.
It was manual.
Oh,
Oh, these are...
most cars.
These are
And
automatic.
Sakshi used
not
to
an
really
Uber.
drive it like a chacha would drive it, like really aggressively. Like,
Yeah.
sit in the car.
I drive like a rickshaw wala. I will get in spaces I'm not supposed to get in. I'll roll down the window. I'll give garnies. But it's my safe space. When the windows are up.
This is the safe space. Outside of it is a very dangerous space.
Yes.
Safe space for her, not for anybody around her.
Yeah.
Like, I've had the car for 2 months now and I've gotten to at least
You know.
7 Fendi Bendies.
Hey, that's not bad. How long have you had this car now?
2
2
months.
months. Okay.
But none of them have been my fault.
Never.
Because
Never.
it's always non-moving objects.
Sounding more and more like your fault.
No, so no one got hurt, so it's no one's fault. The car
Oh.
gets a little injured, the tree gets a little injured.
Oh.
That's true.
The trees were falling anyway.
That's true.
If
Good
not
point.
you, somebody government would have cut it by now. Yeah, it's fine.
Did
They're
you,
so welcome.
Did you do it or were the trees?
No. Only my car gets injured, which is fine because a car is a depreciating asset.
True.
So it's okay with the little scratches. I feel like I have tattoos.
It also gives it character.
Scars
And
make
my
you
car.
human.
You have tattoos.
My car has little scars.
Little scars, yeah.
Good
And it
point.
gives it character. It gives
Yeah.
it like growth.
Yeah,
Nice.
anyone can have a white Toyota.
But you guys, I think, said right before the show that you are the perfect spending
Spending
trio.
trio.
Why?
Yeah.
I'm sorry this was aggressive. I just wanted to know why.
It felt like Sakshi was driving.
Yeah.
Okay, so Sakshi and I debriefed after your last episode,
Yeah.
and we came to the conclusion that if you're doing spender bender, there needs to be some actual spending happening. People are bringing belts.
Yeah.
This is not.
Yeah.
I'm like, here we are buying clothes, buying shoes, buying many other things, and no one. Yeah,
It's 7
guess how
belts.
many products of makeup I have on my face today.
On just your face today.
Yeah, just on my
15.
face.
So bad.
Huh?
15.
Wow.
15?
Are you like a Mac artist?
Is it right?
Literally 50.
It's in double digits?
Yes.
We all have around 10 to 15
Yeah.
products on
Everyone
our face.
in the yeah,
Why?
even the guys. Come on, hands up for the guys.
I have 3.
One moisturizer. That's what I
We
put.
can tell.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah,
No, wait.
Okay.
What's your problem? If you haven't watched a Shamik in a previous episode, with Sakshi got 7 belts.
Yeah, thank you so much. These are 2 of.
The fuck? You just got your belt?
Yeah. Like I said, I don't spend on anything. Oh, even though your show is falling apart right now.
He didn't even get those 7.
He only got the
3.
1. And he
Yeah.
told us that he has the 7.
Yeah.
We just have to believe him.
Yeah.
But I think collectively, if there is an Instagram ad, if a company has made the effort to make
Yeah.
an Instagram ad, one of these rats has taken the bait. And one of us has that product, and it could be in anyone's house at any given point.
No, yeah, Karima bought something. It's in my house right now. Yeah.
What?
Which I bought
blanket.
because of Govind, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
the
blanket.
You
Those
sold
dosa blankets, have you all seen those papad and dosa
Yeah.
roti?
chapati blanket.
That's
They
our backdrop for the guests now.
They sold out, by the way, because
Yeah.
you put a story saying that
was-
it's great.
That was the best.
And then
purchase
no
ever.
one gave a fuck after that. We never went back to that.
we're just good at what we do.
No. I'm saying to you guys
Spending.
repeat, like, is it okay if all of you buy the same thing? It's fine,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah, but we don't need to, no? We
Yeah.
can just send it across.
Share.
Yeah.
So how does it work? Like one of you will come across an ad, you'll put it on the group
No.
and like, hey,
No,
no.
It's
you
just
just buy, no?
intuitively we have bought the same thing.
Oh.
We have seen the same thing. It doesn't even go to open in browser. You know, when you click a link on Instagram, you just buy it off that.
Because all the details is already saved. Yeah, it's so
And
easy.
it's such a gamble because if you close the page, your
Yeah.
cart is gone.
Card is not, you can
have
have
to
to see the
shop.
ad again.
But we lock in damn hard. If the ad comes, I'm like nothing matters except spending that money.
Hey guys, sorry to disturb you while you were watching that episode. But this is my cat's cat tree. He's bent it because he's too heavy to be on this cat tree. But anyway, I'm here to tell you that we're doing another live show on the 30th of this month, 8 p.m. at KCC, Khar Comedy Club. Okay, the link is down below. You can go book tickets. If you enjoyed watching this episode, if you're enjoying watching this episode, go book tickets. Come for the live show. It's much better, I promise. Also, since I have you already, please subscribe. If you haven't, please subscribe. We want to reach 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So subscribe if you haven't. Okay, I need money to fix this cat tree. I don't know what to do. It's new. It's like 2 months old. But okay, now back to the episode. Bye. Do you guys have these Instagram brands that you actually buy from like multiple times? Because a lot of these ads are scams.
No, that
You can
seasoned
tell.
I can tell.
Yeah,
Oh,
you can
really?
tell now, dude. Yeah.
Yeah.
How?
You see some real reviews and stuff
And then
on the
otherwise-
highlights.
Also, how much effort they've put into the website, you can just tell by those.
So our
Otherwise-
strongest khiladi is Sakshi. She
Yeah,
goes
yeah.
where no woman has gone when it comes to Instagram shops.
I get scammed the most and then I pass on the info. I'm like, you know, it's
doing
called
social service.
stupidity tax. You pay some in stupidity tax. You get better returns than actual income tax. But then you pass on that info. Other people don't pay stupidity tax.
You
Yeah,
you
correct.
pay, no? You already pay for it because you,
Yeah,
like,
because
she's-
I've bought it and then I realized it's a scam. But then that one time, then you never make a mistake again.
That's true. I mean I usually do. I think he also does it cash on delivery.
Always.
So, that,
What, really?
Always.
so if it's a scam,
yeah.
No, you
Then
can't
what?
take that risk.
Why?
You return it from
What's
where?
the risk
What
there?
if the product doesn't come?
then there's
Then you
no
don't
problem.
lose any money.
No, but the hate isn't losing money, na. Things can keep coming and going. The adrenaline rush from putting
Oh
your
no, I like the things.
oh,
Oh, sorry.
We
We're
are
talking a
not
completely
the
different
same.
conversation right now.
It's the
you like things for spending money.
I mean, I like
You
things,
just like
things that
spending
come with the money.
I don't care if the things come at the end
Oh,
of the day. Like I
oh.
care a little.
That's where the
it's the
disconnect
proceed
is.
with payment clicking that gives you the.
So
It's
sick.
just spending money
Yeah.
that you like.
Oh.
Okay.
No, I like things also.
No, the things end up coming, but that's not.
But by then you lost interest in the thing. They've
like,
moved on.
what is it?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the bed sheet right now. I'm so excited.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, dude, I've just moved into a new house and I've like built it from the ground up, and I'm starting fresh, like everywhere, like even bank account, like it's completely fresh.
You got a new bank account.
No, it looks like new because there's nothing
Acha,
in it.
okay.
That was such a marital way of asking him. I didn't know when you did.
When you got access, what the fuck?
Don't worry, it's a joint account. You'll get a text.
But Sakshi, I wanted to ask you this. You've been here before, okay?
Yes.
Not this specific, but you've been
Yes.
to the show before. I wanted to ask you then also. Do you have a spending problem? That's what I've written here.
I'll answer, yes.
Now I know. I wrote it down and then you did this heroin thing. I was like, I mean, you answered it. But you have the like worst spending problem amongst you three?
I would not call it a problem.
Not a problem.
I like to spend money.
I think it's a problem, and I just
Karima is our weakest khiladi, but she's getting there. She's getting there so fast. And she's getting
Is she
there.
doing well? Is she doing well?
She's doing amazing.
I'm fine.
And Naina has her things where she has some blind spots where
Yeah.
that she doesn't look at the price. She'd be like, look at these shoes for 8 lakh rupees. And then we'll actually discuss it. And then I'll be like, I think 8 lakhs is a bit much for shoes, Naina.
Oh, this wasn't an exaggeration.
No, sorry. It was 3.5.
Oh, then it's
But
fine.
she
Yeah,
didn't buy
Totally
it.
fine.
She didn't buy it. She didn't buy it.
Oh,
Don't my mother. I did not buy it.
But you don't care how much you spend on shoes?
See, I'm going child free. So anything above that is free.
Yeah, woo. Yeah, woo.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah.
Wait, I have another question.
I hope my child doesn't watch this.
I really think about it sometimes. I'm like, अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ नहीं चाहिए बच्चा. I think I'll be so happy if I don't have a child.
Fuck
What
that
if I
child. Wait, okay. I had another question. Naina,
Do you have a spending problem?
How have you changed her? Like, I want to know instances.
I'm just less guilty, I think, about spending money. Like, just she slapped it into me that if you
Like
wanna
literally?
slap, if you
Yeah, we like a word.
let's not talk about it. Sakshi and I slap each other sometimes, but besides that, she's also been like if you do like something and you want to spend it, and it's irrational. That's also okay. I still feel like I will howl and cry myself to sleep if I do spend that.
But if you just do that enough, you'll stop crying eventually.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
I can look at the earrings and
Yeah.
cry instead of just crying. So always a
take melatonin.
The thing
other
is,
kinds of
anything we do, we are the first women in our family to do it. And that is a thing that you cannot ever attach any value to, apart from it being
Priceless.
priceless.
Fuck, when you make it such
We
an
can't-
emotional thing,
Yeah,
I don't know.
yeah,
I
what it is.
am the first woman in my family to buy those Alaya thong heels.
Oh, you got those?
Yes, I did.
Oh.
Guys, I think that deserves a round of applause, guys.
I don't know what that is, but they're great.
Congratulations, so happy for you.
For whoever hasn't seen Spender Vendor, they show products. I don't know how else to.
She like raised her hand like she was gonna get a prize.
no.
That's horrible. There are 100 episodes.
Okay, Naina, what I think this is what you spend the most on. I'm guessing.
Alaya thong heels.
The force in the family.
Okay, sorry. I don't. Wait. Let me remove that.
Thank you.
Wait, they're not sponsoring us. Why are we showing the logo?
No, they are.
Wow.
Oh, they
We are concerned about the logos now.
You're doing coke.
They're sponsoring Sakshi's bags, so let's promote, please.
Okay, so sorry, I don't know. Like, are these very
Okay,
expensive?
see, this brand,
Yeah.
it's the It Girl brand.
Alaya.
If you are cunty, you want to wear this. Then these heels I saw for the first time in Selfridges, they were double the price of this and they were silver.
But you're the first person in your family.
I know, but
yeah.
I'm not that audacious.
But she's not the only person. No.
Then I went to this place called Bicester Village, if you guys know what that is.
Yeah.
And I saw these on half off. And I was like, God has said, I need to get
Do
these.
you want to say how much?
I
Auntie, shut your ears right now if you're watching.
I think they're like 1,000 pounds or 1,200 pounds. Decent.
That's
So like
not bad.
1 lakh.
Black something. Yeah.
It's 1 lakh? Oh, my math is completely
10,000.
off.
Yeah, I thought for a second, like, no,
We've all made that mistake.
One guy said 1 lakh, and I was like,
Oh
yeah.
shit! It's fuck.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I would say that, I was also looking at it as 100. It's 127 right now, the exchange. But
Oh,
we
shit.
don't have to talk about
That's
it.
1 lakh
okay, that's-
30.
But now that they're in your custody, they're free.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now this is a giveaway, guys.
For all of us.
Like, do you wear this? Like, are these events?
Dude,
For
if
some
you
events.
wear these shoes, Govind, if you wear these shoes.
If Govind specifically?
If both of you wear
Yeah.
these shoes,
One,
bro,
one.
it is over. Like
For us?
everyone.
Oh.
They make you look so hot. They make your ass so tight. Like it's just it's doing things for your body that the gym can't do.
And that's great. I don't like going to the gym anyway. Yeah. I just
And it'll make you all 2 inches taller.
Oh, that's what I always wanted.
Now you're
4
5'6".
inches taller.
Sorry?
It'll make you 4 inches taller.
But when did
I've
you
been
get?
thinking of getting a height increase surgery.
How long has it been since you've had this?
3 weeks.
Oh, it's new.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Have you worn this?
Yes. On my Moss episode, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yes, thank you.
And someone clocked it in the comments. They were like, oh, Naina with those Alaya thong heels. So
Please, guys, clock in here also when you watch.
Wait, so
move
this?
the coffee. You're killing the vibe.
I'm so
Yeah,
sorry.
remove that Masa coffee. The Coke stays. Wait, so this is a brand, no? Alaya.
Alaya.
Okay. Like, is this the
It's
most?
a prized possession.
Is this the most famous one? Like, do they have other? Do you want?
Yeah.
other-
No, I
Are
don't
they
think
like-
so.
No, do
I
you
see
want
it,
other
I like
stuff?
it, I get it if it's on 50% off.
Ah, okay. Yeah. No, I'm saying,
I
do you
like
want?
the last edition. I see it. I like it if it's on 50% off.
Do you want other stuff from this brand? Is what I'm saying. Asking.
Yeah, I would love. So I can't. Okay, so
The Tekel bag.
when you hit like some kind of money that you can
Yeah.
spend, the bitches with courage will buy the shoes or the bag, and then if you're like really flying, then you'll buy clothes.
Oh, it starts with shoes and then.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you can use them over and over again.
Correct,
a bag you
correct,
can
correct.
use over and over again, but a shirt. You
Yes,
can, you
yeah.
can't.
Especially if you're doing a podcast, which would, fair.
Yeah.
That's a good.
Yeah.
point.
Yeah. So
That's
I would
a-
love to own more things, but for now, I'm living in
Stunning.
on cloud 9.
This is really nice. So one of you gets this right now.
But only half. Just one shoe.
Free giveaway for whoever wants it.
But so, do you, are these for like special occasions or this is like.
So if you wear like if you wear any casual outfit, like
Yeah,
jeans and
yeah,
a t-shirt,
yeah.
which is what I live in,
Correct.
and you put these on, you don't need to wear anything else.
But you're wearing
enhance
jeans
the
and
overall
t-shirt.
Just
outfit.
naked with these heels is what I'm saying.
No, I I mean, like, you don't need to do a full like outfit. You don't.
Oh, got it.
These are the moments.
And you know, women live for a good if you know moment. Like a girl who knows will like respect you in the wild.
It's like old money people, you know, they wear these plain t-shirts and then the really rich people know that it's an expensive
Yeah.
t-shirt.
Yeah.
This is Soul Store.
It is not Laura Piano.
You know, Soul Store, if you go to their website, they give you basic t-shirts for 3 hours. They send it to you in 3 hours. No one's excited. Okay, cool.
These are the small
यहाँ
houses
पे
we look
अलाया
for.
के जूते यहाँ पे 3 hours.
Soul Store में पता है express delivery होता है.
She traveled to another country to get these.
I was home, I got a red plain t-shirt, a cream plain t-shirt, a black plain t-shirt.
He told me the most insane thing yesterday. You know how he categorizes his clothes? Do you want to tell them?
Yeah. So how I categorize it is by
Clean,
brand.
not clean.
No. He hasn't reached that stage yet.
By brand, like Soul Store का एक पूरा like there's a stack of clothes, Soul Store का t-shirts,
She
and
was
then
like, what the fuck?
It makes
What's the
no
problem?
sense.
What?
Why my brand?
Uniqlo के I love
Like
Uniqlo.
Tuesdays Uniqlo, Wednesday is
No,
Soul Store.
it's just when I want to go somewhere, I'm like, Uniqlo today. Or,
Yeah, it
How
when
do
I
you
say it
decide
out,
to
it's
buy
Not a shirt or a t-shirt. It's Uniqlo or Soul Store.
like the vibe of the day is the brand.
Yeah.
So when I say it out loud, it doesn't make sense. But in
As opposed to in your head when it does.
Answer one question.
Yeah.
At 10 o'clock today, are you wearing Uniqlo?
no, it's another Soul Store. It's just
Then
Soul
it's fine.
Store. Yeah.
Like, I love Uniqlo and I'm wearing Soul Store for you guys. That says nothing.
No. It's Soul Store. I love Uniqlo. There's like 3 stacks of Uniqlo in my. How many shoes do you have?
I don't
We're
have
very
that
direct
many.
here.
I don't have that many. I think expensive shoes, I have about 5 pairs.
Okay.
Another pair that I got recently, which I haven't worn yet, is these because I Sex in the City.
Oh, you guys also didn't see this?
No.
Oh, it's a surprise for you all also.
Anyone who can't see.
Guys,
Holding it up like.
Govind, this is not part of the show, huh? Just saying.
Stunning.
They look way better on. Let me
Super
tell you that.
slutty.
Yeah, they
Love it.
But
What
you
is
don't want to put your feet out, no?
So, what brand is this?
These are Manolo Blahnik.
What?
Gorgeous.
If you just.
Manolo Blahnik. Okay.
Okay. Which is a better brand?
This is a newer brand. This is a more classic brand.
Oh.
But both shoes make your ass look good.
Just for Govind.
Just clarifying. In case anyone's in the market.
Okay, guys.
With his Soul Store
Please go
t-shirt
for
and
Manolo
these
Blahnik.
I just heard that.
Which one's the more expensive one?
Yeah.
These ones are more expensive.
Ah, okay. That's.
These I again got a great deal on. I think they were like 700 pounds.
Arey, I don't.
Yeah.
What, like
Thank
how-
you for being so
70.
impressed. Front row.
That's 70, 80,
Yeah,
90,000.
70, 80, 90,000.
I can't
That's the one.
do it. Which one do you like more?
I love both. How can you make me choose between my children?
Sorry. You have 5 children, so.
These are the only children she's gonna have. Govind, respect them.
Look, if Kim Kardashian can answer that question, I will answer that question.
I don't know. I'll DM her. I'll ask her. I don't know what to do about this.
No, I mean they both say so many different things, you know.
What do
Why
they
don't you
say?
guys tell me what you think they say?
I really like that even when shoes are very expensive,
They
these
count.
still exist.
I mean, these could easily be the ones which come from the top of the store.
Hey,
There's a
hey,
gap.
hey,
No,
hey,
because of
hey.
this. Just because of this. Just because of
Hey,
this. I
hey,
know they've
hey.
come from like.
I can't stand disrespect.
No, it's
Like,
not disrespect.
It's not disrespect.
It's just us realizing a world we have never seen before.
That's true.
Like these shoes just like us.
But what do they say?
Egalitarian packaging.
I'm scared. I'm
It's like I'm in
scared.
a zoo.
Yeah. I just want to observe them from afar.
Yeah. Shit, did I do this? Did I?
Yeah, I think you owe me 800.
Fuck, that's 800 pounds? Hey, it increased. This was for 700
Came the customs के साथ.
You can't
Resale
scam
value.
me.
Flight ticket का
ठीक है
cost.
700 दे दो.
ठीक है, चलो.
Do these appreciate in value? Oh, okay.
They don't?
You walk on the floor with them. How?
No, but like, you know, in some sneaker culture, like some
It's
shoes
the car
appreciate.
for your feet.
Oh.
It is
Okay.
literally.
Everything is a car for something, then clothes are car for my body.
See, I don't buy anything with the view that I will sell it again someday because
fair.
I just want to have it.
Fair.
And this, now that I have it, I'm just so happy.
Is there
I don't even know why I came here. I'm just so happy.
is there any shoe that's left like that you haven't bought yet?
Yeah, so many. I only have 5. Do you know how many seasons change fashion-wise every?
No.
I only know 3 seasons. yeah.
I don't.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is it like a big number?
It's 4.
It's 4.
You were so close.
So you want one extra?
Yeah, but there's like multiple designers across.
True.
But
You
I'll
have to
tell you where my
respect all of
beautiful story starts.
Yes.
It
Yes.
starts in a very sad story. Imagine a young girl who's come to Bombay.
Okay.
Not so young, I was 29. Okay, so I came to Bombay. And I had this big dream, and it wasn't happening in the first year. I was working my office job, I was crying in the rain, I was living in this shoebox apartment, all that. Like, when will it happen for me? And it happened. Class came out, and all of these opportunities happened, and lots of men started following me. So, all my dreams have come true. So at that point of time, I got my first set of money, and I went on holiday, and I was like, I can spend money. Then I realized I'm spending money in a white place. In a white country. And I'm like, these colonizers can't make me feel poor. So I walked into the store, and out of stress, I bought whatever was in front of me.
Which store?
Gucci.
Oh.
I'm going to show you what I bought. And the intention behind the shopping is so bad. The girls will feel it when I show it. But basically, I bought it because I wanted everyone in Bombay to know that I was somebody.
Okay, in London.
The London bit got attached later.
Yeah.
If I only wanted to compete with the Bombay people, I would have shopped better. But then the colonization aspect, I shopped really well. So I walked into Gucci and I bought the fucking ugliest shoes I've ever set
To fight colonization.
I'll take them.
If anybody wants them, they're yours.
Me.
Whoa.
Oh, dude, these are
I don't want
nice.
Shut up.
They're so ugly.
What?
I don't want them. I
They're
don't
not
want
ugly
them.
at all.
I have
Don't
some
even-
theater shoe that looks like this, right?
Raise your hands if you think these shoes are ugly. Raise them. Come on, guys.
I think
Oh, wow.
Show the heel side. The heel is so nice.
That makes it worse.
I
They
can't
were
stand next to
loafers.
any comics in these shoes.
Is this for tap dancing? That's what it looks like.
It's for ball crushing.
Can I? Wait, just.
Can I? Right
Yeah.
after that, she said.
It's heavy.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
It's really heavy.
Yeah.
What is
Made
that?
in
Is that
Italy.
wood?
Yeah.
Oh, it's actual wood?
It's wood and it's horse bit. See?
A horse bit these
Wait,
shoes.
one second.
She's on the sole.
Yeah.
No, the whole thing's Gucci. Wait, how much? How much is this?
Same
for?
yaar, wohi 1
Wait,
lakh.
I think let's just assume every
Everything
pair of
is
shoe is a lakh until
Yeah.
we're told otherwise.
And
Were they all bought together?
I bought 2 things together. These ugly fucking shoes.
Yeah.
And the jacket that only I and then I saw on a resale website, Ranveer Singh owns.
That.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
This is good. This is
This is
okay.
nice.
No. This is the uglier than the shoes. I think.
I'll take
Oh, wait,
that.
hold on. This is the street. This is the front side?
Tell me you have
Oh.
money without telling me.
Oh, this is not the.
Yeah, the inside is better.
The inside is better.
No.
I think he wore this in Dhurandhar. Yeah, he wore this.
With these shoes.
Yeah.
So I came back with both of these purchases and I just stared at myself in the mirror like Priyanka in
Sorry,
fashion.
these two?
Yeah, these two. Apart from the other purchases. But these two. And I was like, what the fuck am I trying to do? Like,
What were you trying to do?
I was just trying to win at a game that I was never going to win at.
Who were you fighting against? Like when you stepped out of the store, did you?
Karan Johar. I'm the freaking face of panache.
Can I put my foot in this?
Like 4 of your feet will come.
You know, next time there's an orange alert, you can sit and paddle.
Wait. This also. I'm guessing these two you got like earlier.
Oh, hey, they actually look very nice.
What does it say?
Anybody's a UK 7, you are very welcome to these shows.
It's insane with this. Like last time it was 7 belts. Now you're giving away Gucci shoes.
Okay.
No one's a UK 7?
I'm a UK 3. Yeah. Yeah? Okay.
Karima's wearing cute shoes also.
Yeah.
Should I end my story now?
No, yeah, please.
I mean,
It's the last part of my
Yes,
story.
yes.
Now I'm on the other side. I've still not beaten Karan Johar, but I'm like, it's fine. I've grown bigger than that. And I decided I'm going to be sustainable. Okay, I'm going to be ethical. So I was like, I'm not going to shop for luxury first hand. Let me do it
acha.
second hand.
Okay. I was thinking something else entirely.
So I bought a dress, and it's the ugliest fucking dress I've ever seen in my
Oh,
life.
shit.
So
Every time
ugly.
you try to fight
It's
something,
so
you end up
ugly.
buying ugly stuff.
It's like if a doctor. It's so ugly.
This is quite ugly.
Is it upside down? Uh-huh.
Oh.
You say it's gross?
It's a high-low dress. Y'all are not understanding. She has purposely gone and bought a high-low dress and she FaceTimed me and I was like,
This is like if a drag queen was dressed as a doctor.
Wait, let me
This
hold
is a
up
dress.
one sleeve and yeah.
Oh my.
And the back.
The back is as ugly as the front.
Yeah, this is like if a doctor has to perform a surgery and has to go for a prom at the same night.
Is this not showing your ass
No,
crack?
no, this is a zip. It comes
Oh.
till my shoulder blade.
Oh, it's not even like backless. I thought that would save
There's
it.
no redeeming factor in this dress.
So,
that
Wait, sorry,
mesh
why-
and stuff.
What were you fighting against?
She put it back.
it's fighting for sustainability and against fast fashion.
So-
You know, like the 3-packs at Soul Store.
Hey, Soul Store's not fast fashion. Is it fast fashion?
It is fast fashion.
It's literally reaching you.
Not,
30 minutes.
not when
That's not
Govind
the fast
is using
part.
it though, because you were probably repeating it 45 times till it fades into
No.
oblivion.
No, I don't. I love.
They're like, the
getting
production
new
is very
clothes.
slow.
Oh.
They slowly. But the delivery is really
It's
fast.
very fast. No, I love getting new clothes. Every time I have to go somewhere, I stop at Uniqlo and then I get a new T-shirt and then I go to that.
For your
place.
date.
Uniqlo makes
Whatever.
it so easy.
You
They have so many colors of the same thing at Uniqlo.
Yeah.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you. I always wanted to be a doctor.
In case you have a prom.
I actually want to see
slash
Govind in
med.
that dress and these shoes.
Honestly,
I don't-
slay.
right?
Yeah.
These shoes are not
Equal it
bad.
out.
No, these.
But
the
he can
golden
hide.
Just to
ones.
Nazir Taylor.
What's that?
It's our tailor.
It's our tailor.
Oh, I thought it was a term.
Sakshi's best friends with this tailor. Like they are.
I go there at
friends.
least once a week and I'll take like a white tank top with a Pinterest reference. I'll be like, I haven't.
Even if you don't want get anything done, you just go and visit this guy.
Yeah, I mean,
He's
so
great.
They planned a treasure hunt for my birthday, and
Yeah.
one of the stops was Nazir Taylor.
Nena was sitting inside with her cube like this. The drive, we drove past her.
But you think if you take this to a tailor, he can do something?
Maybe.
I'm sure
What
he
do you
thought of
think?
it, but.
You
What do
just
you
sell it for scraps.
What do you do about the color? That's the problem.
Yeah.
This is the
the
color
colours
of the
were throwing
season.
Any hospital curtains have any
This is
holes
that-
in them.
Okay, but can I ask, when you were buying this?
Yes.
Like,
Did you try it on?
I had just stopped
What is
therapy.
that Devil Wears Prada blue?
Cerulean.
Is this that blue?
No.
No.
Isn't this more cobalt?
It's green.
Cobalt is dark.
it's green.
This is just ugly. That's it.
Ugly.
Yeah.
That's the
Wow,
color.
when Hoshang and Govind start shaming our clothes.
Sorry. No, so, wait, like, when you were buying this, did you not for a second be
Please
like.
shut your eyes.
Okay, I'll tell you. Firstly, it didn't look this green on the internet, and I thought the high part of the low was much higher. So
Oh.
it was micro, but it's not. It's very macro. Still my knees.
How much?
Yeah, exactly.
How much?
12,000.
Oh,
Okay.
Nykaa fashion type.
It's not the best.
But high to low.
But
Yeah, high to low. No. That's
Oh,
not
it's
high
a
to low.
Not-
BB.
That's
Nykaa
low
Lux.
to high.
Nykaa
Huh.
Lux.
On Nykaa Lux, that's low to high.
That low to high. Correct.
Is that
Price
also up
sorting
for
by.
grabs?
yeah, that's up for grabs.
What's up for grabs?
Anybody wants to gift their doctor, mother.
The dentist even.
So yeah, this is my story.
But that's a
This
great
is-
story. You went from a shoebox house So many shoes.
A lot
A
happened.
lot
by the
happened.
way.
You fought colonization. You fought.
And you tried to give away Gucci and no one took it. That is insane to me.
First.
That is insane to me that no one wanted a Gucci tap dancer shoe.
But thank you so much. I've never had so much fun. Like showing my shopping.
This is isn't
Dude, you
it
come
fun?
whenever you show. Every time you fight something else, you tell me.
That's the point of the show. Just be shameless about what you buy, I guess. But I really like
I'll
this.
take my bag
Yeah.
I'll show you what they look like on also.
Yeah, okay.
She's dying.
later. The after party is just Naina wearing her shoes.
One after another.
Okay.
I can hold
Karima,
it.
is this worth 7 lakhs? It's all lakhs here, dude. I can't.
No, actually. I actually don't buy luxury. I don't know what it is about it. But I would like to. Maybe I think the more money I get, the less guilty I'll feel. But I don't know, the idea of spending a lot of money on a bag or a shoe I have not come to terms with it yet.
Bag on the right, shoes on the
I
left.
think I think it's amazing. I have borrowed things. I don't have a problem against luxury shopping. But when I'm spending it, then I have a problem
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah.
So what I've resorted to, and I do enjoy retail therapy. So I've been buying a lot of quirky things instead.
Hey, nice.
You know, like basically things that don't look like the thing that they are meant to be. So
Got it.
right.
Yeah.
So I have today brought a collection of earrings that. Okay, so for a neurodivergent person, the one jewelry item that doesn't bother you, I think, is earrings because they are very far removed from your face. Like necklaces make you feel suffocated. Earrings, I feel like still work. I will start strong.
Yeah.
I have a pair of ramen bowl earrings.
What?
Stunning.
Cute.
Stunning.
Right?
Very cute.
It has these details on the side. She's a full bowl. There's a piece of chicken inside.
Yeah, what kind of ramen is it?
Some basil. Let me pass it around.
I think it's
If you guys
choshu.
want to see, I don't know how much.
Yeah.
you
And
can
there's
see
noodle, there's spring onion. It's a whole deal.
And this.
And there's Japanese inscriptions also on it.
Oh, really?
No, just Japanese design.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh. That's kind of racist.
Very
Wow.
Do you wear these?
A lot.
heavy.
Yeah, exactly.
That's fine.
I mean, the one you have on, right? Yeah.
That
I
I'm
always
okay.
wondered that. Like, does it not bother you?
Yeah, like when you're walking, suddenly don't you just go?
Yeah. Don't you just feel
Fuck,
my head is
You in
very-
general life. Sorry, I don't know why is Govin's catching so many strays.
Yeah, what
I don't know.
Not
Moshan
strays,
is
it's
like-
attached.
I'm loving it.
No, so I bought this pair on my first trip abroad, I guess. Like I'd only been to Thailand before that, which was for a work trip, and then I went off my own money and volition at the ripe old age of 24 to Europe, like outside of the continent.
Hey, so the last time you
dated Paris.
Yeah,
you dated Paris.
I've just come back,
Yeah.
and these are from that time. Oh, that's so cute.
Can I ask you guys something? Do you only buy outside of India? Why? You're not buying here.
No, we buy everywhere all the time, every hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Instagram shopping is happening for me also. Yeah. And then I don't know, I think I just walked into this wasn't from Asian person's place. This was from a
Nena's
friend's
anti-colonization. Karima's like,
I'm from Calcutta. I love them. And yeah, I think it was 3,000 rupees type.
Oh, bad.
You're very
Yeah.
good.
Insane, Karima.
Price
How can you spend so
Yeah. But a pair is for 3K or each?
Why would he?
What rubbish.
I don't know how it works. I don't know how earrings work.
It's not a real ramen bowl. They won't be like one bowl.
like menu pe ek hi likha hua hai.
Yeah. Why would they sell it individually? Wait, can I see this?
Yeah,
It's a phone.
it's a phone.
It's an old school phone.
Yeah,
So,
I'll take it.
one
I'll
side
zoom
is
in.
That
guys,
dirty
wait.
plastic, can I remove and
Yeah,
show?
yeah.
Oh, they're connected.
No.
Do what?
Speak from one and you can hear it
oh
in the
my
other.
god,
Phone line.
so freaking cute.
Like, this is the telephonic part, and then this.
The receiver.
Does it
part.
shut? Ah! It shut!
It shut? You didn't know it shut?
I mean, to be fair, when it's on your ear, it's always off
Oh
the
yeah, it's
receiver.
always falling.
It's like a brand new product.
You can just talk and then be like, hi, okay, see you, bye.
So cute.
Just shut it.
That is. Where's the hole for?
We'll Nazir
figure it
Taylor
out.
will fix it.
Can I see?
Where did you get these from?
Yeah.
Is there anybody in this room who doesn't know how to use a phone like this?
I'm sure there are. Yeah, okay.
Oh,
One, two.
Loser.
You don't know how to use a regular phone.
No, it's the dial
Just
one.
the dial wala.
I've never seen a dial-up phone in real life.
How old are you?
21.
Did you
Okay,
just
fair.
never leave your house? 21 is not that young.
But phones are in your house.
Way younger.
This kind of phone.
It was going while we were young.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was going.
Yeah, but
on.
everyone's seen it at like
Like a movie. Or
Stock Exchange or something.
Yeah, London on that telephone. booth
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah.
It's not
those
like
booths.
when we
Oh, but those
were
are not
there,
that.
like these phones were being used.
the rotating
But we've
phone.
seen them in
My
like,
first few
pop
years, they were very much being used.
culture. Sorry.
I started to trunk call my friends.
Just
Trump
chill.
call. That's old.
This is so.
Objective.
These are very cute. Where did
How
you get
much
these
is
from?
London.
No, Instagram shop.
Whoa.
Yeah, I don't even remember. It was like 2 a.m. I bought it. I don't remember
How
any
much?
other detail
Yeah,
from
yeah,
this
yeah.
shopping. Next up, we have.
I really like this.
Right?
Yeah. Coconuts? No.
Yeah.
Coconuts.
Yeah, coconuts.
It's dab. It's dab for the Calcutta word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nadial.
Nariyal.
Nariyal.
Yeah.
Dab is, I think, North Indian.
No, East.
Oh, East?
Calcutta.
Oh, because I always, I grew up calling these dab.
Okay, let's spend 10 minutes. Let's spend 10
तो मम्मी कहाँ से यूपी से है? बरेली. Anyway.
My Masi is there. With Pilibeat.
Wow, guys.
This is actually from a store in Calcutta called Trunni. And they hand make all of these shoes. My
Oh, they
friend.
hand make
They
these?
hand make it. This is also from there. Oh yeah.
That's also gorgeous. What
Yeah,
do you
those are very. What are those?
But like, it's not supposed to be something.
They're just
no?
Art.
contemporary.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Just a
It's
piece.
just art.
You know.
It's like, looks like a racetrack, like an F1 race.
Oh yeah.
Sure. Yes, Hoshan.
Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself.
Yeah, let's see the other.
No, I
Sorry,
really
sorry.
like this one though.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Do you
But
have
because
an
because I'm
ear
South
piercing?
Indian, is that a fucking? Because I'm Malayali
connected to it.
to a Nariyal. Actually, might be. I don't know.
This was
Yeah.
4,000 rupees.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
because
a lot.
Because it's
right?
handmade also.
It's
No,
handmade.
yeah, makes
So
sense.
tell her when my bags were Fatafat bag is Fatafat is 5 rupees, bag is 5,000. Tell her Nariyal Pani is 20 rupees. Tell her
No, that's
some
yeah.
shame.
No, that's
He just
different.
likes
It's different.
Why?
Yeah, because one less zero in your tail.
Yeah, that's also two less.
Two less.
Two less zeros.
Mine was also 5,000.
No, it wasn't. The Fatafat bag.
Oh, for was 5K?
Oh, yeah.
Which one was?
There was a lace bag. Well, later.
Yeah,
we'll get to.
Sorry.
Yeah.
No, no, I was
What?
enjoying
Yeah, what else? What is this?
What is
This is
Donut?
my least favorite, but it's just donuts.
And that's
It's
so
fine.
cute.
We can move on from this one.
You brought
Can I
it.
throw this?
Yeah, but I was like trying to find more things that I'm
It's
putting.
like towards the end, you're trying to fluff up.
Yeah,
the
yeah. But there is one more, which is cuter.
Shamik didn't feel this pressure.
What is best?
Shamik
Oh,
did
yeah.
not even look in his cupboard. You're like, what do I have on right now?
Then let's analyze the
Yeah, this donut
beads
one is
on the
fine.
donut. It's fine.
Yeah. Doesn't really
It's
look
fine.
like a
Yeah, it
donut.
doesn't look like a donut.
No, I agree. I'm in consensus.
Compared to the other three,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
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 Wait, what is this one? It's a
Now
tree?
the last one is my sister used to live in the mountains for like 4 years, and then she had a life-altering accident, and then she had to move back. Anyway, then after that, thank you, Naina.
How's she now?
She's fine.
Oh,
guys.
okay.
Yeah. We
Okay.
joke. So
We joke.
then I was literally talking in the car about how somebody did not laugh at a dark joke that she made, and she wanted them to be part of the joke, but then they anyway.
Guys, let's laugh.
I am. These are from the like. He would have like lots of gemstones and quirky pieces, and this is like the tree of life, I guess. in a
Oh,
earring.
nice.
Where's this from?
Manali.
Oh, I like how. Wait, one is Europe,
Yeah.
Yeah, one is
Calcutta.
impulse purchase.
Instagram, these donuts.
These
who
are from
cares?
Bangkok. The donuts are from Bangkok.
Oh.
These are from Calcutta. This is from Manali.
And if you crush the gemstones, you can smoke it.
But other than this, I feel like I've just been spending a lot of money, which I couldn't bring. I asked Govind. But I've been spending a lot of money on like random art supplies, like air dry clay,
Why
you
can't
know,
you bring them?
stickers.
What is
I
air
don't know,
dry
I never
clay?
told her to not
On
bring it.
Blink. Oh. You did.
Actually, if you
Oh,
want
I
to
think I was sleepy.
if you want to know where to rob Karima, it is Art Station.
Yeah.
Like, she will have the
Oh.
most cash in her pocket. She's at Art
But
Station.
you paint, you draw? Paint?
For Masti. I'm not that great at it. But.
Because I go to art station to get notebooks. That's all.
Yeah.
That's all I do. Fatafat notebooks. I have 2.
Two fatafat.
Oh,
you
I
really
think
like things
a lot
fast,
of
huh?
comics use this for something.
Yeah,
No, they all have the same personality.
Shut up, Sakshi. Shut up, Sakshi.
Oh, boy.
We all don't have the same personality.
Same T-shirt, same commitment to only moisturizer.
Rubbing their face with dirt instead of face wash.
But,
This-
what?
that was not about you, Govind. That was not.
It's okay, you're sleepy. I think that's the answer to all of it. But what kind of supplies do you buy?
Like I'll go downstairs to there's a basement in art station. Yeah, there's a not secret. It's just a little.
It's for the
away.
cool people
It's
go
not
with.
that-
There's a sign. It's not secret.
Yeah. But some of us exclusive folks, we go to the
Who can read.
downstairs. And there's like only canvases, and I go and I pick like a circular one, and I act like I'm about to I'm like, is there varnish here? Like, is this matte or gloss finish varnish? And I'm just painting like a ombre sky that I
you
saw
paint
on
there,
YouTube.
you sit there and paint?
At art station.
Yeah.
No, I bring it
No,
home.
take it
okay,
home,
okay.
I bring it
Baba.
home. I bought an easel.
Yeah.
And I'm like playing like
Jazz.
Chopin and like listening to and just like painting at night. It's really fun.
What do you paint?
Yahi sab bas. Like
Bakchodi.
sky.
That's sky.
Sometimes I'll have like a really creative moment and I'll paint like throw paint.
Karima will start with only the most beautiful painting in the world, and then she'll be like, it needs character. And character means black scribble. So every piece of painting in her house has these random lines, and she was like, it didn't feel artistic.
Has to feel me.
Was it
Cars
abstract
like a
enough?
car.
But are these expensive? The canvases are pretty expensive, no?
They are. For something that's not going anywhere. I feel like that's why. Like it's not like I'm selling that
Did you put it
out.
in your house?
One only I've put because that was the only presentable one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and that
So it's sky.
had a political meaning and you know.
Oh, so
Something
I
it's,
could raise my
painted
eyebrows
black.
at that.
it's one of those awards, Sky Mountain, and then
And the boy.
Nah,
away.
yeah.
one heart.
How he
One
knows.
heart.
How he saw? You've
One
not
stick
come
figure.
The sun has a smiley face.
Yeah, that's all I can draw.
And a
That's all-
V-shaped bird.
That's all I could draw, so I don't know what
A
else to draw.
skyline is easy to make.
Yeah?
Yeah, with like buildings and then you can put like
Oh, you can make like a
flags.
proper skyline?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
like a silhouette of it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah.
wasn't
Naina's also
expecting.
really good, by the way, at painting and drawing.
Really? Do you also go to art station to get
Yeah.
canvases? Oh,
That's where they met.
they were both throwing paint. Like, you also? Oh shit. But how much are those canvases for?
Started rubbing paint on each other.
They're like 2,000-3,000 bucks.
Okay, I thought.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
bad.
Yeah, okay, I thought they'd be more expensive. You guys have made me think these are cheap. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
these are
Yeah,
not
you're too
cheap. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Like 3K for a Canva which is not gonna go anywhere.
I said, yeah, 1 lakh is fine right now, dude. I don't know who the fuck have I become.
Paints are expensive though.
Paints are?
can be expensive. Like
How?
600 a tube.
Oh, that's okay. This is all I'm gonna keep saying. Oh, that's fine.
Brushes are also expensive.
Brushes
no?
can be expensive. Unless you're buying like Camlin or something.
Oh, camel is not
I didn't know
expected.
what the hell.
Yeah.
I'm not a painter.
But I'm a camel person. I
can't-
like camel.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, it's not good.
Like that, what is that? I can't ever say the name. Dalarani? Dalarang? No? Nobody?
No.
Okay, well. It's a paintbrush that I would like
It's
to
a
buy.
paintless room. No.
Yeah, no one
All
paints.
these
Does someone paint
uncultured,
here?
unartistic people.
No one paints here.
Unbelievable.
No, even I don't paint.
Oh shit, it's just too nice.
It's a dying art, I see.
Yeah, it is. That's why they kept it in the basement. They were like, ये किसी को दिखाओ मत कि हम ये भी बेच रहे हैं.
Actually, my product this time isn't bags, but I did bring a couple of bags that we referenced in the previous episode. So that is all my saman.
Oh my God.
Thoda sambhal ke.
Yeah, Antriksh.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
I have never seen you so prepared for something in my life. I have cross-referenced the previous episode and in this
I also noticed the light in your eyes when you were talking about your shoes. So
Okay.
you all remember when I was talking about bags that look like other things, right?
There's no way this is a bag, dude.
This is a bag.
Talking
bag.
about.
This is the cult Gia bag. Gaia. I just wanted to show this to y'all. This is a little difficult to open, but this is the bag. And
I'm not
Laughing every time you touch the bag.
This is the new.
Another
Is this a
bag.
cake?
Do you want to hold it?
I'm too
and
scared.
another bag that I bought is this flower.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So these are the two bags that I just wanted to show y'all. But my product is actually the thing that I end up spending the most money on. Sorry, I'll just...
Yeah. I can't.
How
I
are
can't
these
believe there are
bags?
more bags. Can you open this? Open this? Okay.
Sorry, it opens like... It's a little impractical.
I wonder why.
A bouquet bag, impractical? No.
Because... One second.
It's a potli.
Don't stress, guys.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, now that you saw how it opened, it's cute.
Oh, I thought it open.
Yeah,
but
it's like that vase thing.
Yeah,
No, this you carry it like that. Isn't it so cute? Thank
Wait,
you.
The other one you just carry a vase?
Yeah. I told you, na, my garden theme party. Yeah. Okay, can I paint a picture?
Of course.
I'm at a wedding.
Yeah.
Okay. The theme is
The food's over. And they're like, now what?
the theme is garden fairy. I actually have matching shoes, but Sushi took my dog. He took the shoes and pulled out a petal, but it's fine. They weren't 1 lakh rupees. But because anyway, most of my kharcha, obviously, my new chaska, obviously, is to make my son, my dog, match outfits with me. Wait, we'll start off strong. No, it's okay. With this leopard print harness, leash, and poop bag set.
What? Poop bag?
Stress.
Yeah, and this goes with her bondage outfit.
Sushi's bondage outfit.
I got that from Australia. Basically, every time I travel, I have to buy a leash for my son. So this one is from South Korea.
I don't think you should touch the poop bag that much also.
Honey, there's no poop in
There's
the
no
bag,
poop.
yaar.
Not right.
It's for the poop bags. Like this is
Oh my
a
God.
little poop bag with poop bags inside. But don't zoom into this because it's personalized with my number and stuff.
Oh shit,
But
okay.
this is the harness, and it says fun stuff like he really likes galati kebabs.
What, really?
Yeah,
Why didn't I know this?
you knew
Is
this.
that
It's part of
normal?
my
So
culture.
it says galati boy.
How does he have the same taste as me? Why is this poop bag better than my regular bag?
And it says sushi here. And then I matched it with this little poop bag where I keep the bags which I pick up his poop with, not poop.
Yeah.
Then this is our summer outfit.
What?
He has more poop bags than I have regular bags.
Then this is obviously if I'm wearing a pair of yellow shorts.
Of course.
And with your new bag.
This is his most used one also.
Yeah, this is his most new
Is
used
he-
one. Anyone wants to hold it?
Is he ever like, why are you wearing yellow all the time? I want to wear, I want to
because
wear
he
my summer
has
outfit.
Blue also.
Oh!
And he has red also. But as I was packing it, he started getting stressed कि ये मुझे तो बाहर नहीं फेंक रही है घर पे। इसका सब सामान पैक हो रहा है.
सब रख दिया.
His wardrobe is more organized than Govind's.
Yeah. Yeah, I swear.
And this is his first ever leash and harness set, which is Pride theme.
Oh no.
Oops.
Sorry, it's fine. It's okay. Thank you. And actually, last time I was here, you all wanted a bag, right? So the people in the audience were like, but I can give this away because it doesn't fit him anymore. So
Anyone
if
has
you
a
all
dog?
have
Anyone has a dog? A
If
pet?
you all have an ally for a dog, please, it's yours to take home. But
You
all
guys
need
want
to go
nothing
for
or
Gucci
what?
today.
And if your
They don't
dog
want
has
Gucci.
size 7 feet,
Okay, fine. Which leash do you all want? Oh, no one's dog.
No one has a dog.
what?
There's
On
one
the
person
back,
who has a
yeah,
dog.
What?
You have a dog?
Which size?
How
What
big is the
size?
dog?
Oh, it won't
Oh.
fit him. Sorry.
Wait, there's
You
only
can have a
one
poop
person
bag.
with a dog.
Yeah, that's crazy. Out of 50
Are
people.
there more? Do y'all have more cat people
There's
audience?
There's another
think
person
so.
who has a dog.
How many cat people?
Ooh.
Ah,
Yeah, it's all.
Not
This will
enough.
fit your cat also.
just no pets.
This will fit the cat also?
Yeah,
Oh,
because
this would fit
sushi was
Suki.
only 3 kilos when.
Bro,
Oh.
I'll take it for soup.
Okay.
My
She's
cat
an
is 8
ally.
kilos.
My dog is 7 kilos.
Your cat is heavier than a dog?
Yeah, yeah.
My
He's a
dog
big cat.
Yeah,
is
he's a
actually
big cat.
6.7 kilos.
Oh no. We're too old for you to do this. But this is. I don't know why. I've
Isn't
never
it
thought.
gorgeous?
Yeah, I've never thought that you could match it with.
His poop bag has an earphone holder.
No, that's. Oh yeah.
Sushi's AirPods, you haven't seen?
No.
Your
What, he has
dog doesn't
AirPods?
have your cat
Yeah.
doesn't have AirPods.
Why?
It's
You
so
don't love your
noisy
cat?
outside. You have to play white noise in their ears, no?
But he's inside.
Can't you take your cat to Carter Road and stuff without the...
But I'll have to take a full cab from Kandivali to Carter Road with my cat.
Uber pets you'll have to take.
Yeah, for him to walk on Carter Road.
No, that's a new one.
I hope he gets to fulfill that dream one day.
No, I've come to the vet here. He's seen Bandra once.
Yeah.
This is
This is
like,
really cute. I want a crop top in this pattern. You know what I mean?
You'll have to
Actually-
walk sushi, otherwise you can't just have your
Actually,
own.
Karima and Sushi have matching outfits.
Oh really?
Like
for when
the-
you walk.
No, basically.
Can he not go out on walks if it's not matching with the person taking him out on
You
the
know,
walk?
of course he can.
Okay.
But
It's not preferred.
why would he?
Yeah.
Like, is this the life I want to give him?
No.
When people are looking at him, it's like, he doesn't even match.
But when did you start getting the
Yeah.
idea?
How did
that,
it begin?
That oh, you know what?
It better have a story like Naina's.
So when
What
I
are you
was
fighting?
Younger, no, okay. What happened is, you know, Heads Up for Tails is in Bombay, and they have such cute stuff.
Yeah.
But everyone has the
same stuff. Yeah.
So I was like, no. My dog is not going to be a Soul Store T-shirt.
Even if it comes in 3 hours, you don't want it.
Yeah. So then I was like, let me find some new fun stuff. And then first I started with this. And also my dog is male, but all these, like, you know, the matchy and his gender
Yeah.
disposition, people think he's...
So she's kind of like he's effeminate in a
He-
sweet
of
way.
course
Yeah,
He's in
yeah.
touch
Yeah.
with his feminine side.
You've not seen him hump me. Anything for the joke, huh? He's never humped anyone. But he's also a very grumpy dog. So I thought, you know, if I put him in flowers, people will be like, he's a happy dog.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then he
Floral
beats them
footprint.
up.
Agreed.
He beats
No, but
them up.
he's so cute and all these colors look so
Nice.
cute on him. Like it's just, and honestly, I bought yellow, red, and blue.
Those are the t-shirts so I
Because
got.
when I,
Those are the 3 colors.
when I go for walks in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
because I live in Bandra, there's a lot of people that are very, even at 8 a.m., unbrushed, whatever, they want to take a picture. And I'm like, okay, fine, take the picture because it's fine. It's
Yeah,
truly
yeah.
fine. So I was like, then I need to pull a fit. And then in the morning, the leash is an accessory because I'm holding it in my hand.
It's an
Obviously,
extension of you.
It's my
Yeah,
outfit.
yeah.
It's his outfit.
Correct.
So
It's his.
because he's not in the pictures, right?
Take him in the picture, yeah, it's fine.
No, he doesn't
No?
come in the
Oh.
pictures. So I'm holding the leash, so they'll be like, "Oh, accidentally she matched with her dog." I'm like,
It's like those rickshaw. It's
I
like
think
the
even real
rickshaw.
life. And he comes with me to a lot of places as well. Like we go out a lot together, so it's just like a cute little.
Yeah, are you
Yeah,
getting
y'all do
more?
look cute together.
Thank you.
Every time you get an outfit, are you like, fuck now? I gotta
Yeah.
get one.
Y'all have a bandana that matches with his something also, no?
That would be so
That is-
cute.
I have it.
Yeah. yeah.
I also, he has a polka dot bandana and I have a polka dot skirt, a maxi skirt. But I also bought a mini skirt and it was too mini, so now Karima has it.
Listen, so many of her clothes that are just too short, they come to me.
Having a fat ass is really
Beneficial to me.
So we're down to our last segment, okay? We asked you guys to write,
To write
down
some things.
Yeah. The question we asked you was, what's a purchase you'll defend forever but others find stupid? Or just mention anything that you've, anything funny that you own, okay? And you guys wrote a bunch of stuff. You guys want to you want to talk about any of this?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh. Acha, okay. Sorry. What's a purchase you'll defend forever but others find stupid is
Yeah.
my cat's medical insurance.
That's
What?
not stupid.
How is
It's
that
not
stupid?
stupid.
Who is thinking it's stupid is the problem.
Yeah, who's thinking it's stupid?
And
Okay, now
got
they're
it.
not going to raise their hands. Don't
Oh.
start
No,
strong.
no, guys, that is
Wow.
really stupid. Tell us.
It's stupid to think it's stupid.
Who got the... Hey, you have a cat.
Yeah,
Wait,
there are 5
someone
people
had a
who
cat.
raised their hands.
We know from
I'm going to
before.
interrogate one of them.
No, but to be fair, the medical insurance for pets in India is not. It doesn't cover much.
Why? I just got one. It covers a lot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't have insurance.
I just got it last month.
Oh.
Yeah, HDFC Agro.
Hey, for myself, I got that.
HDFC Agro.
Okay, there's another one which is a half plate, but not a smaller plate, a full plate broken into half.
What?
Got it at Lil Flea.
Don't get me started on Lil Flea. Do not get me started on Lil
Actually, what happened?
It is so shocking that 500 brands can go there to sell nothing. It's so difficult. Like, how many bejeweled
Yeah.
hair accessories do we need in a lifetime?
And if we can't answer it,
Yeah.
no one can.
That's
Yeah,
true.
that's
I'll
true.
take your word, all of your word for that.
If you say Lil Flea is useless, I believe you.
But wait, half plate? I thought like
Huh,
chicken.
Who was this?
Adha. You have it?
Yeah.
What-
What is it?
What is it?
What is it for?
Nothing.
Oh.
I had to buy a gift for a friend. I was under a lot of pressure. It was very hot.
And that's what you do.
Yeah.
And your budget was like...
You're like, oh, he's
Yeah,
eating
half.
too much. He shouldn't eat that
So
much.
what-
I'll give him half a
Where
plate.
do you put it? You put on the
It's a
wall?
decorative thing. It's not a plate that you eat out of.
Oh, it's like a trinket tray.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Then it's fine.
Air dry clay on Blinkit.
As long as it's useless, it's fine.
Alright, next
Someone
I want to
said-
ask is...
Oh wait, Sakshi wants to...
Huh.
Yeah.
A champagne-shaped bag, which is. Did you all buy it after you all saw it, yo?
Yeah. Sakshi had it last time. Who has a champagne-shaped bag? Oh wait, there. Yeah.
A
Wait.
woman of fine taste.
Is it the same one? No, not the same one. Chal yaar. say.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not the same one, but I did see your video and then I ordered something.
Oh, okay.
Oh wow, look at this.
She bought a car, huh? So in case
Yeah.
This is bought a house at 28 in Mumbai. Nikhil Kamath and finance with Sharan rolling in their graves, but they're alive.
who is
Yeah.
this person who bought a house
Who
at
bought a house
28?
at 28?
Yeah.
We all bow to you.
Dude,
Wait, who?
congratulations.
Stand
Who
up,
did?
yaar.
Stand up, please. Let's clap.
Where?
In Bombay?
Huh?
In Goregaon.
Wow.
It's very expensive.
Western line, that's wild.
Who?
East, west? Okay.
Suntec? Oh,
Wait, are we playing Geo?
Congratulations.
Oh, congrats. I mean, I don't want to ask how much
No.
that is. But
Unless you want to tell us.
yeah, tell us. I don't want to ask, but you tell us.
Why?
Yeah.
2.5.
Oh.
Jesus Christ.
We made up playing the broke game, dude.
She's judging all of the brokies.
Okay,
That's
we do.
amazing.
Congratulations.
Congrats. You can sit. Yeah, you can sit. It's okay. Thank
It's
you.
like I'll go sit at home.
Okay. That's been the show, guys. Thank you so much for coming. Give it up for the guests, for Naina, Karima,
And
Sakshi. Thank you so much. You guys have been amazing.
Give it up for you guys.
Yes.
Give it up for the
Yes.
crew. Give it up for Indifferent, Antariksh, everyone. And have a
Yes.
good night, everyone.
And give money to her.
Yeah.
Don't forget. All right. See you guys. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank
Good
you so
night.
much for coming out.